Holy crap. Dude, this looks insane. Oh my God, Dizzy Designs killed it on this one. This is definitely our best one. Finally made it out to Florida to reveal these two special builds that we did for Nick. We also have a special gift that we want to reveal to his dad first. Let's go get his reaction. So we got two of these. So one for him, one for our warehouse.
Yes.
These are custom made.
Full
on.
That's
NFL.
awesome, man. He's gonna go nuts. That's perfect.
There's some crazy details on here you can see.
Oh, wow. Oh man, look at the colors. Oh, look at the,
Yeah.
dude, this
So this is extra large. You know, I got a big head, he's got a big head.
This is a home run. Well, I'm gonna tell you if it fits right off the get-go. It's been a while, buddy.
Oh yeah, like a champ. Look at that.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Dude, that design is so sick.
Bam, bam, bam. 247. Green 18 is what they say, right? Wow. This is beautiful, man. This is high quality stuff.
So you got two sides. So obviously you got this side that says Power.
I love that. And on the back.
Oh, and then on the other side you have
M-Fam.
M-Fam.
Beautiful. Look at the visor. I love that on the visor.
Yeah, Spartan.
What's this?
Yeah. Oh, it's to match it.
Oh, that's gonna go right in the middle, baby.
Yeah.
Beautiful. He's gonna go crazy.
That's what I figured.
That's awesome. What a gift.
We had to go all out. We had to go all out. That's why I was like, you know what? Let's do it.
You did.
All right. So then you'll see the PC later.
Yeah, I'm more excited about that actually. That's awesome.
Now that we showed Kevin the special surprise, let's go ahead and reveal the PCs.
Are you doing the turnaround thing?
Yeah, do the turnaround thing. All right, ready? You see that game right there?
Yeah.
It's a crazy game, right? But these PCs are better. Let me show you.
Let's go! Ooh! Damn, man!
So there's some story behind it a little bit.
Nice, yeah.
You come around here to the front. Wow. You got a little gears cog right there. If I would have known the Splinter Cell thing, I would have put some stuff in there.
Oh, man.
You got a little Fortnite action over
Dude,
here
this
as well.
is sweet, man.
Oh, you got, yeah, just look at the details. Look at all the little details.
You
It
guys,
goes all the way
come
around.
on, man.
All the way around.
Come
And
on.
then right here, you got a little.
What is that? Little Fortnite? Little Fortnite llama?
little
Okay.
Fortnite era.
See, I love that. I like the little, yes, man.
The
Yes,
Spartan's
you guys.
a little bit different as well.
No, this is so sick, man. Wow, you guys actually nailed the forward Spartan.
Yeah.
That's something we've never been able to do, man. We can't get it right. Yeah.
So you got the two Spartans. They're going pretty much clashing at each other. Different shields.
So
this guy doesn't
sick,
have a
man.
beard. He's got a beard. Sword.
GPU.
Yeah, the whole top
M-Fam.
M-Fam.
Wow,
You got
dude.
you
Wow.
got the RGB logo, and then you have the M-Fam on this side right here.
Oh, yeah, man. Come on, man. Come on, bro. Come on. Wow. Start getting after him in a second, man. That's my dog right there.
And
Yes,
of course,
man.
these are rocking like I told you.
Thank you, guys, man. Thank you.
Decked out. 9950X 3D. I'm gonna say some specs. I'm not sure if we're gonna pick up on it.
You know,
but
I don't know. Yeah, I got no idea, man.
Let's just
this
say
is
you got the top dog.
Japanese to me right here, man.
5090s in both of them.
Okay,
Like I
I know
told
that
you.
one. I know that one.
Like I told you, one's a streaming PC, one's a gaming PC. You can
Wait,
literally
this
choose.
is the big dog. The big dogs up
Yeah,
there.
so we inverted it so that you can tell this is inverted, so the two cases can be kind of side by side.
I love
like
the
that.
red, man. I love the.
So you could have this.
Carbon's upside down versus
Yeah,
that one.
yeah. So you could have this as your gaming PC, this as your gaming PC, whichever one you want. You can switch it in and out because they're both identical specs.
Okay.
So you're gonna be able to pretty much do all the streaming you wanted, the high
Finally,
resolution,
man.
blah blah blah.
Finally,
You
bro.
definitely got it.
Man, thank you, bro. Thank you, guys. This is awesome. This is so sweet. And
it's
I really do love the ATD, man. The attention to detail. It's incredible. I mean, you know me, man. We keep a clean home, clean office, and
Oh yeah.
this is such a fucking upgrade, man, across the
Well,
board.
we had to do it right.
Excuse my language, man. I know you.
When you called me, I was like, we have to do this right. We
Gears
have
of
to.
War, Fortnite,
Gears of War.
man, dude. Whoever did the artwork on this did a really good job,
that's
man.
our
Did
good
they
friend.
did they draw it? They drew it.
So Dizzy and his wife. His wife is the one that does all the artwork.
Yeah, she
she's
killed it, man.
insane.
No, I'm
She
not
does
gonna lie,
some
she killed
crazy
it.
stuff.
This is so sweet.
Yeah.
The back panel's incredible.
Yeah, on both. Oh yeah, for the sport. Wow. Yeah. No, we like to keep it clean. That's what we're known for. Good attention to detail, good performance. Just overall.
You like them, Gary?
I love it.
Yeah, you can't have them. They're mine. They're mine, Gary.
But this is not where it ends. I have something else for you.
Okay.
I got
You
something
do have
else
an
for you.
elephant. Let's go, man.
So stay right here. Give me a second.
Oh shit.
Imagine an elephant just comes out.
Imagine he comes out on an elephant like on some Prince Ali shit. What is it? Is it shoulder pads or how? Oh, we got two of them, man. What's up, bro?
There you go.
All right.
Now we're official.
Hey, listen, man.
Now we're official.
Hey,
Look,
I'm ready
it
for you,
fits.
man.
It fits.
All right, come on. Right here. Come on. Let's go. All right, head to head. You gotta lay down. Head to head.
head?
Then you
What
do
do
the
you
whistle, and we're
I
gonna go
have
after.
never wrestled. What do
No,
you
no,
mean?
it's not a wrestle. It's not a wrestle. You lay down on your back. Lay down on your back.
All right.
With your head this way.
Lay down my back.
Lay down your back. Yeah. Okay, perfect. Yeah. And I lay down on my back like
I'll
this.
say set, go.
Yeah.
Get up as fast as you can, face him, and tackle
And
him.
then we tackle. Don't look at.
Finish my.
No, I don't. I'm not. I don't want to put my helmet in your helmet. We can't get concussed right now, bro. Your wife will kill me if I give you. If we. Okay.
Set, go.
Let's go.
Just like the Steelers are doing to the Vikings.
Oh yeah, man. Dude, this is so sweet, man. Jesse, thank you, bro.
No, of course, man.
What do you got on this? What do you got on the? What do you got, man?
Look at it.
Oh, this is sick.
Spartan thing in the front.
Yes, sir, man.
You got
Yeah,
RGP
yeah.
this side, MFAM on that side.
Yeah. And I got two, or you get one.
No, so one is going back to the warehouse.
Okay, and then we can. Yeah. Come here. You want to wear it, dude? Whoa. You want it off? You want to see it? Whoa, here, hold it right here on the mask. Hold it here, like that. You're gonna have to get used to it anyway. Let's go. Hold it. There you go. Nice. What do you think? You want it on? Okay. You got it? Okay, sorry. Try.
Oh man.
Try it on.
Look, Nico. Put this one on. Look.
Yeah, dude. Look how little he looks. He looks so little in that.
He immediately swung.
He looks so little in the helmet, dude. Nikis.
Those are great.
Yeah, these can be sick. I love these things.
You like it?
Oh, let me put this.
Football helmet.
Yeah, look at that. Matches.
Say, Nico, say power GPU.
Huge shout out to Nick and his team for all the hospitality they showed us. And if you want an MFAM PC of your own, check out the website for a limited drop from October 10th through October 12th. Go buy one today.